this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use shaders in Minecraft without Optifine with Forge. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a Minecraft installation that has Forge and use shaders without needing to download Optifine. So you will need some specific mods to get this done. You can clearly notice that my shaders are working, and if I go here into mods, you can see that I have Forge and then the other mods that I'm going to be talking about. So, the very first thing that you will need is a Forge installation. I'm going to assume that most of you already have that good to go, but if you still need to download Forge, you can find it available at files.minecraftforge.net, and in here you just choose your version. Another thing I want to highlight is that I'm going to be showcasing this process in version 1.20.1. This might also work with newer or older versions, but you will have to try out certain files for compatibility. So after you have Forge good to go and you run the installer at least once, you will need Rubidium and Oculus. Rubidium will be primarily used as the substitute for Optifine, so it is what gives us the performance boost, and as you can see here, for shader support we need Oculus. So look for Rubidium on CurseForge and then click on Oculus here and you will be redirected to its page as well. For Rubidium, it doesn't necessarily matter which version you got. For me, I just went over here, chose 1.20.1 and downloaded the latest release from December 12, 2023, and this worked flawlessly. However, for Oculus, when I tried downloading the latest version for 1.20.1, this gave me issues. So what I recommend is that you go over to Files, and if you are also on 1.20.1, download this version here, 1.6.9 from September 24th. Like I said before, if you are on another game version, then just try downloading any of these other files and make sure that Rubidium and Oculus have been downloaded the same. So for example, if you are on 1.19.2, make sure that Rubidium and Oculus match. Now, it's as simple as dragging the jar file inside of the mods folder. Once again, I'm going to assume that most of you know how to get here, but if you don't, press Windows+R, type %appdata%, press OK, and then go inside of the .minecraft folder. So you will appear over here, go to .minecraft, and then look for the mods folder. Inside of mods, drop both of the jar files in. If you had Minecraft open, be sure to reset it, and when you do, you should be able to find Rubidium and Oculus on mods. You will also see Sodium and Iris. These will appear automatically, but regardless, with this done, you can go over into Options, Video Settings, and Shader Packs. Click on the option to open the Shader Packs folder and drop any shaders that you would like to use inside of here. Then, just make sure that they are activated, go to any world, and start enjoying the shader packs with the performance boost. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shaders in Minecraft without Optifine Forge. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.